Hello and welcome back to Epic Bakes. In this video, I will show you how to make these gorgeous meringue flowers. They are really bright and colorful, which is perfect for the summer and go great with ice cream on a hot day. The recipe I use is very simple. To start with, you will need an egg whites and some caster sugar. If you don't have caster sugar, you can use normal white sugar too, but caster sugar is finer, so it makes the meringue's texture smoother. As a general rule, I add 60 grams of caster sugar per egg white. In this recipe, I'm using 3 egg whites which I had left over from my homemade vanilla custard ice cream. So be sure to check out that video later, as it really can't be missed if you love smooth vanilla ice cream as much as I do. To the egg whites, I will be adding 180 grams of caster sugar, and this will make plenty of meringues I can serve with my ice cream. You need to beat your egg whites on medium speed first until the mixture resembles a fluffy cloud and stands up in stiff peaks when the whisk is lifted. Now turn the speed up and start adding the caster sugar, a little bit at a time. Continue to beat the mixture between each addition. It's important to add the sugar slowly at this stage, as it helps to achieve this nice, smooth and glossy consistency of your meringue mix. Once all sugar is added, I am also adding 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, which helps the meringues hold their shape better when I pipe the design out. This is optional, and you don't have to add it if you don't have it. Your meringue mixture is ready when you have glossy, stiff peaks once you lift the whisk out. Just like this. Now I can move on to adding some color to my meringue mix, which will help to bring to life my final flower design. First of all, you need to split the mixture into separate bowls for each color before adding the food coloring. You can split your mix out to as many colors as you'd like, or keep some of the mix white. I am using Wilton gel food coloring in sky blue, leaf green, and pink. The intensity of the color will depend on the amount of gel coloring you add. But remember, with these, a little goes a long way. I will be using toothpicks to add small amounts of gel coloring to my mix. I don't want the colors to be very bright, as I prefer them to be more of a pastel shade, but adding more will make them more vibrant. Dip the toothpick in the coloring and then swirl it around in the meringue mix to distribute the color. Once you add the coloring, gently mix it in. Remember, do not overmix so you don't lose your thick meringue consistency. Repeat the same steps for each color. If you like a different effect, you can leave some white visible to give a color marbling effect within the meringues. Now I need to get my meringue mixture ready to pipe. I find it much easier to use cling film. Spoon the mixture onto it and wrap it tight so that all air is out. Once all mixtures are wrapped in cling film, cut off one end and place the cling film bag into the reusable piping bag. You can use any piping nozzle you'd like. I went for an open star to pipe my pink roses, petal piping nozzle for green ruffles, and French star nozzle for the blue details. That's you ready to pipe now. You will need a baking tray lined with greaseproof paper. Make sure you heat up your oven to 90 to 100 degrees. I am starting with the pink rose in the middle of each of my meringues. Hold the piping bag upwards and swirl starting from the middle in a round motion to create a rose. Then I am adding green ruffles and really freestyling it with the design, adding different pipe details where I feel is best. Make sure you are piping different parts close to each other so that the overall design holds together once dried. You need to bake these for around an hour and a half at 90 degrees and ideally then leave your meringues to cool completely in the oven after switching it off. Ready meringues can be stored in airtight container in room temperature for up to 2 weeks, although they never last this long in my house. For best results, put them in the container as soon as they cool down to make sure they stay nice and fresh. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. Meringues are fun, as there's so many different ways you can do them. I'll be sure to make more videos to give you some epic ideas. Click on like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next epic bake.